Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same unit, Yoga and Lifestyle, and the subtopic is diabetes, procedure, benefits and contraindications for Bhujangasana and Pawan Muktasana. So first of all, we are going to discuss the few minutes about the diabetes. So what is called diabetes? So in the next slides we can see the meaning of diabetes first. Diabetes is the metabolic disease that causes the high blood sugar, or in other words we can say when our body does not produce sufficient amount of insulin, or when insulin does not work properly, it's called diabetes. So it is very easy to understand. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that causes the high blood sugar in our body, called diabetes. Diabetes is a disease in which your body cannot produce enough insulin, even cannot use the insulin, or a mix both are also called diabetes. You know what happened in a diabetes? In a diabetes, sugar level in the blood goes up. In a human beings, when the sugar level goes up in our body is called diabetes patient. If it's not controlled in a proper way, there will be many causes of different types of diseases nowadays. As we know that diabetes raises the risk of cardiovascular diseases and can cause the problem with your eyes, kidney and skin, among with the many other organ of our body. However, many of these complications are prevented with the help of our awareness and attention towards your health consciousness. If we are very much aware about our health, we can prevent the diabetes very easily. Diabetes symptoms. Now, we will talk about the diabetes symptoms. Diabetes symptoms may occur when the blood sugar level in the body become abnormally elevated. The most common symptoms of the diabetes are increase the thirst, increase the hunger, excessive fatigue, increase the urinations especially at the night, and blurry vision. These are the main symptoms of the diabetes. Symptoms can vary from the one person to the other person also. They also depend on which types of diabetes you are suffering from. Now, we will talk about the types of diabetes. There is two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1, the pancreas gland does not produce insulin. Diabetes is the mostly often seen in the children and adolescents and the young adult. In the type 1 diabetes are found in the children and the young adults. Type 1 diabetes can develop at any age. In addition to the symptoms, in a people with the type 1 diabetes may notice that there is a frequently sudden weight loss in a diabetes type 1. Now when we talk about the type 2, In a type 2, the body does not produce the sufficient amount of insulin hormone. In a type 2, diabetes is the most common types and develop in an adult age, or it can be seen frequently in the younger people in the society. In the type 2, the overweight can be seen and having a family history of the type 2 diabetes. So you can identify very easily in the type 1 the symptom of the type 1 diabetes. There is a quick and a sudden weight loss, but in the type 2 you can see there is a overweight of the human being in a type 2.